Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'm showing some new washi tape from the Washi tape shop. The Washi tape shop just recently sent me some new tape, so I thought I would show it in a video. And currently they're having a big back to school sale, and you can save 18% site-wide with the code SCHOOL. The sale runs through August 15th, 2024, and I do have a link in the description box below. If you're watching this video after the sale ends, you can still save 10% with my code KristieM10. The first set of washi tape I'm showing you is called Summer Paradise. There are 3 rolls included, and this is a washi tape sticker set. Each roll is 5 meters, and the designs start to loop at about 38 centimeters. So there's a nice variety of images. This first roll has lots of beautiful blue images. I love the beach scenes. It also includes some sentiments. And since this is a sticker set, all of the images and sentiments are pre-cut. So you simply peel them off and you can use them on your planner, your cards, whatever project you're working on. I was trying to lift up the sentiment here. Wasn't sure if it was pre-cut, but I looked at it later and it is. And with the nice variety of different images, you could create a cute little beach scene. So that's the first roll in the Summer Paradise. The next roll has mostly green images. And I'm trying very carefully not to peel up some of the stickers on the other side. So I'll unroll it and you can see most of the fun images. We have several summer drinks, there's ice cream cones, a bunch of summer fruit, and then some beach scenes. The last roll is orange themed. So very carefully try to remove this little backing piece. And 2 of the stickers wanted to peel up. We have a fun little van, there's a surfboard, summer fruit, little beach cabin, a bunch of summer drinks. This roll doesn't have as many sentiments, but there are lots of fun images. Perfect for a summary project or planner page. So those are the 3 rolls included in the Summer Paradise washi tape sticker set. The next set is called Tropical Sips, and this is another washi tape sticker set, and it works really well with the Summer Paradise set. You can purchase all 6 rolls as a bundle. The first color theme is pink, so this is one of my favorites. Lots of really fun summery images. We have beach scenes, there's some pink drinks, and also a bunch of different sentiments. The pink roll even includes the sentiment Happy Summer, and I love using sentiments like that on cards. This next roll is purple themed, more of a lavender color. So it includes lots of purple, summer-themed images and sentiments. The beach scene images on this roll are some of my favorites. The last roll is yellow color themed. Carefully try to open it without peeling up those stickers. More fun images. There's lemons, ice cream. I love the sunflower. It's also pineapples, bananas. Another perfect set for some fun summery projects. The next set also includes 3 rolls. This one is called Wag and Chill Washi Tape Sticker Set. So this is another sticker set with all of the sentiments and images pre-cut. The length of each roll is 5 meters and the designs start to loop at 38 centimeters. So you get a really good variety of images and sentiments. And all 3 rolls include different images and sentiments. I'm unrolling them fairly quickly. If you want a better look at all of the images on their washi tape, you can check out the Washi Tape Shop website. They have great photos of all the different images on their tapes. This set includes lots of really cute dog images just hanging out at the beach. I think any project you make with the fun images on this set will make someone smile. The dog images wearing bathing suits, lounging at the beach, and all the fun sentiments are a perfect combination. One final roll in the Wag and Chill set. Carefully trying to open it. More super cute images of dogs just hanging out at the beach. There's a dog holding a camera, sweet little dog with sunglasses holding a purse, little dog sitting in a beach chair, and another fun variety of different sentiments. The final 4 rolls of washi tape I'm showing you are available for individual purchase, or you can buy all 4 as a bundle. And I'll link both of those options below. Now these are a seasonal set. I'll start with summer since it's currently summer. This set is called Pre-Cut Summer Bliss Wide Washi Tape. This roll has a thicker feel than the sticker tape, but it still has all of the images pre-cut, so they're really easy to remove and add to your project. With the larger images, I think this will be great for cards. The roll is 5 meters and the designs start to loop at 100 centimeters. I'm showing you the washi tape, but it's also available in PET tape. And the difference is washi tape is a paper tape and the PET tape is clear. I love using both. If you want to check out the PET tape, I have shown it in a previous video and I'll link that at the end of this video. So now we'll move on to autumn. This roll is called Pre-Cut Autumn Symphony Wide Washi Tape. I love the images on this set. Fall cards are some of my favorite to make. You could use some simple tone-on-tone pattern paper, even just solid cardstock. Add one of the washi tape images and a sentiment and your card is finished. Next up we have winter. This one's called Pre-Cut Winter Whispers Wide Washi Tape. I bring seasonal cards to the residents at a nearby retirement home, and I think the 4 seasonal rolls will be perfect. I like to do a hello summer, hello fall, hello winter, hello spring card, or happy winter, happy summer. I'll add a simple message on the inside. It's just a little something to brighten their day. So here are the gorgeous images on the winter set. And I love that they chose trees and mountain scenes for the winter set. We have one final season, spring. This set is called Pre-Cut Spring Awakening Wide Washi Tape. As soon as I can get this open, I'll show you all the gorgeous designs. Autumn is my favorite season, but next comes spring. I love all of the beautiful, fresh, blossoming flowers. It's so pretty. This roll has lots of pink. We have blossoming trees, country cottages. There's even a windmill, fields of flowers. I love the little gate with the flowering bushes. Beautiful variety of images, and I think these will also be great for cards or other projects. And as I mentioned earlier, you can purchase these individually or as a bundle. The bundle is called Season Serenade, and they are available in washi and also the PET tape style. I love the new design with the pre-cut images. No fussy cutting required. So here's another look at all the new washi tape rolls that the washi tape shop just recently sent me. I love the fun variety and I'm looking forward to using them on my cards. If you are interested in purchasing any of the washi tape or some PET tape, I do have links in the description box below. And don't forget their back to school sale is currently going. You can save 18% site-wide with the code SCHOOL. The sale goes through August 15th, 2024. If you're watching this video after the sale ends, you can always save 10% with my code KristieM10. And I have all of the information in the description box below. And stay tuned, I will be sharing a video using some of the new washi tape. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.